Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Today I'm making some coconut jerk fried chicken wings, and here are my little ingredients that I'll be using. So I've already washed my chicken wings and I'm using my homemade jerk seasoning, and yes, I'm not moving sparingly with it at all. I am going in. I'm going for the jugular with seasoning my wings. This is one of those recipes where you really can't skimp on seasoning the food. So here I'm on seasoning the chicken. So here I added some salt, and then I'm just mixing it up again, and then I'm gonna go in with some turmeric. Now you don't have to use the turmeric, you can use some paprika if you want, and this is just to add some color for when I fry it. So if you really don't care, then you don't even have to put any of them in there, right? That's okay too. Just make sure you season it good, right? We agree on that. So there I'm adding more of the jerk seasoning to and I'll link the video down below of how I make my own jerk seasoning. So here now I'm adding some coconut milk, and vibes, Sam, just to think about it. So good. Oh, I haven't even reached anywhere in the video and I'm all excited. So yeah, go ahead and combine everything, mix up the chicken and press it, and you need to press it down in the coconut milk, right? Yeah, Vibe Sam. Whew. Anyway, you're going to cover this and leave it for at least 4 hours overnight. Would be better, put it in the fridge, right? So here it is. Isn't it beautifully seasoned? I'm telling you, Vibe Sam, this is muy delicioso. So cover it and put it in your fridge for 4 hours or so. So here I'm just adding some flour to my Ziploc bag, and you don't have to do this. You can just put the flour in the plate and do the dip and go. I wasn't in the mood for that. So here I'm adding some powdered jerk seasoning, right? And I'm just gonna give it a shake. Shake it around. And then yeah, that's it. It's ready, right? And that's us. So here is my chicken after 4 hours, and I'm just gonna let each piece like drain off the excess seasoning, the excess coconut milk, and put it in the bag and give it a shake. I think I put like 5 pieces at a time. So yeah, close it and give it a shake. And when you see your flour going down, just add some more flour and add some more of your jerk seasoning. By the way, if you don't have any of the jerk powder, then you can use your regular all-purpose or regular chicken seasoning. That's fine too, right? Yeah, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna set them aside, and you can do these in however much batches you want. So say you flour like 6 of them and then you put those in the pot, because you don't necessarily want to have them waiting too long. Flour them and have them waiting long. So yeah, that is it. At Vibe Sam, I'm telling you, these wings are so delicious. So delicious. So good. So here I stop, and I'm coming to preheat my oil, and yeah, so you need to make sure your oil is at least between 175 to 190 degrees Celsius. And then I came back and flour the rest of my wings, because So yeah, vibes fam, you fry these for a total of about 10 minutes, right? 5 on each side until they're golden brown. So beautiful. So let's take them out. So what I was saying before, I was saying my own, like everything was like wham bam bam bam. It was done so fast. So if you're a fast cook, then you can flour all the wings and do what you're doing, and depending on the size of your pot too, right? So yeah, here they are, looking so beautiful. Look at you, all goldendy, looking so crispylicious. So good. Yum. So yeah, vibes. So like 10 minutes, because it's just some little wings, you know, just 10 minutes, even 8 minutes. And they will be so good. So good. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna put in my next batch and fry them as well. Take this one out and put in the rest. So yeah, vibes, some 8 minutes on the wings if you're deep fat frying them, right? If they're oh, sorry, I got distracted. If they are all the way down in the oil, yes, 8 minutes and you can get it done, right? But yeah, 10 minutes and they should be el perfecto, as long as you have your stove on medium or not too high, right? But yeah, vibes fam, look at them wings, so good. And another thing too, when you if you flour all of the wings all at once, please do not keep the container with the wings like right beside the stove, right? Just set it off to the side, a cooler area in the kitchen. And if your flour seem to, like, you know, kind of just not look there anymore on the wings, just powder them a little bit more, right? But yeah, look at you looking all good. Look at them. Vibes fam, these are so delicious. And that's it. I am all done. And vibes fam, here we have it. Me say, here we have it. Unu run come them look good down. Run come them. Vibes fam, listen. Unu hear the excitement in my voice. I am so excited about these wings. They are so good. I mean, just make sure you use your nice jerk seasoning and season them properly. Yes, get it. I mean, it's spicy, just all kind of things taking off in your mouth. You know, the right amount of hot, because of course, you know, my jerk seasoning might have the Scotch bonnet pepper in there and thing. I'm telling you, Vibe Sam, just so delicious, so good. You do not want to miss out on this. And what I did, I used some jerk sauce with some ketchup, and I put a little bit of sugar just to take away the tanginess, and that was my dip. Vibe Sam, good, so good. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. In the description box, I have the link to my Instagram, guys. Please go and follow me. God bless you. Please take care.